How powerful F-35 Lightning, the most advanced fighter jet ever built. Welcome back to U.S. Military on Spot. The F-35 Lightning is a multi-role fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin for various branches of the United States Armed Forces and allied nations. Its power is measured in various aspects, including speed, maneuverability, sensor capabilities, and armament. Let's discuss about the stealth capabilities. F-35 incorporates several features to enhance its stealth capabilities, making it less detectable to enemy radar systems. These stealth features collectively contribute to the F-35's ability to operate in contested airspace with reduced risk of detection, allowing it to conduct missions with greater survivability and effectiveness. But F-35 has significant stealth capabilities. It is not completely invisible to radar or other detection systems. Built with a focus on reducing its radar cross-section, which is the measure of how detectable an object is by radar. Its exterior is shaped to deflect radar waves away from the radar source, reducing the aircraft's visibility on enemy radar screens. The aircraft's structure is constructed using composite materials, including carbon fiber, which absorb radar energy rather than reflecting it back to the source. This helps minimize the aircraft's radar signature. In addition to radar stealth, the F-35 is designed to minimize its infrared signature to evade detection by infrared-guided missiles. This is achieved through careful design of engine exhaust pathways and the use of special materials to dissipate heat. How about the speed? The F-35 is capable of reaching speeds of over Mach 1.6, 1200 mph, or 1930 km/h, allowing it to quickly respond to threats and cover large distances in a short amount of time. Designed to operate at high speeds, enabling it to rapidly respond to threats, cover large distances, and engage targets effectively. Its supersonic capability allows it to maintain air superiority and conduct offensive and defensive missions with speed and agility. Possesses impressive maneuverability both in the transonic and supersonic regimes. Its advanced flight control system, aerodynamic design, and powerful engines enable it to perform complex maneuvers at high speeds. While the exact top speed of the F-35 can vary, depending on factors such as altitude, mission profile, and payload, it is capable of exceeding Mach 1.6, making it one of the fastest fighter jets in service today. What makes this aircraft is supreme. The F-35 is designed to perform multiple roles, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. This multi-role capability allows it to adapt to various operational requirements without the need for specialized variants for each mission type. Equipped with a sophisticated sensor suite, including electro-optical targeting systems and electronic warfare systems. These sensors provide the aircraft with enhanced situational awareness, enabling it to effectively detect, track, and engage both airborne and ground-based threats. This is insane. How about armament? This aircraft is equipped with a versatile array of weapons, enabling it to perform a wide range of missions including air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. Air-to-air weapons include AIM-120 Advanced Medium Range Air-to-Air Missile, a radar-guided missile with a range of over 100 kilometers used for beyond visual range engagements. AIM-9X Sidewinder, a highly agile, short-range, heat-seeking missile for close combat engagements. AIM-132, another short-range, heat-seeking missile with high maneuverability, primarily used by international customers of the F-35, while air-to-ground weapons including Pavway 4, a precision-guided bomb with GPS and laser guidance capabilities used for precision strikes against ground targets. The GPS-guided bombs available in various sizes for attacking a wide range of ground targets with high accuracy. AGM-154, Joint Standoff Weapon. Glide bomb with a range of over 100 kilometers. Capable of engaging stationary and moving targets. AGM-158, Joint Air-to-Surface. Standoff missile, stealthy cruise missile with a range of over 370 kilometers. Used for attacking high-value, well-defended targets. Equipped with a comprehensive arsenal of weapons, allowing it to effectively engage a wide range of targets and perform various mission roles with precision and lethality. Its ability to carry a mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons internally while maintaining a stealthy profile enhances its survivability and mission effectiveness in contested environments. So, what do you want to know about? Comment below and subscribe for more information about military on spot.